When we log in a Dash, the first thing we see are links to data collections. Article entries share attributes like a title, a teaser, a main content, a cover image, a category, a date, etc. Put together, these article entries represent a data collection. More examples of collections can be hotel rooms, staff members, frequently asked questions, rental cars, excursions, learning programs, services, etc. We custom design these collections to fit exactly what your business needs. In this tutorial, we will manage article entries, which is a typical data collection, but depending on your collections, you might find slight differences. Let's click on our article collection. Our collection is presented like an Excel spreadsheet. One line represents one article. To navigate this collection, we can scroll up or down, and by holding the Shift key, we can also scroll sideways. If we use a touchpad on a laptop, we can use 2 fingers to scroll in any direction. On a mobile device or a touch screen, we can drag the screen with 1 finger. To add an article in our collection, let's click on the plus button. This will create an empty line. Fill in the blanks to create an article. Once finished, click on the Save button. This will save the entire collection, including our new article. Our new article will appear directly in the website. Most items have 3 publishing options: online, unlisted, or offline. If none of those options is selected, it is online by default. Offline means that the item is not visible anywhere. Unlisted means that the item is only accessible if you possess its web address. It won't be linked in the website, nor referenced by search engines. Clicking the blinking smiley will open the article in a new tab, along with its web address. To delete an item, click on the trash can at the end of the line, and then click on Save. To change the order of the items in the list, simply drag and drop an item using the first column. To add a cover image, click on the cover column cell, then drag and drop or select the images to upload. The images will be automatically resized to fit different parts of the website. Let's choose and click the one we want to use. If we click on a field offering advanced editing, a purple notification describing available options will appear for a few seconds. In cells with advanced editing, we can select the text to change its appearance. Bold, italic, heading, small, small italic, striked, superscript, subscript, highlight, indented, or create a link. The link option will ask for a web address. Enter an absolute address in the field. We can also enter a path to a page within the website and select Open in the same tab. To apply, click the Validate button. To edit a link, simply click on it. To remove a link, click on the Disable Link button. Email addresses in the text will be automatically made clickable. To make a phone number clickable, select it, create a link, then simply check the phone number option and validate. To remove any text formatting, select the area and click Remove Formatting. Advanced editing allows to insert documents, images, and more. Type /* in the editor to make the menu appear. To make documents available, click the Files option, upload one or several documents, and select the ones to show, then click the Validate button. To change documents, simply click anywhere on the file expression to edit it. To insert an inline image, click the Image button, then Upload and choose an image. The website will crop the image and make it clickable. To make sure the image is shown in its original size within the text, select No Cropping. To insert an image gallery, click the Gallery option. Upload your images and select the ones to show. The options Regular, Film Strip, and Mosaic offer different gallery styles. To insert videos, click on either YouTube or Vimeo. Enter the full web address of the video, including youtube.com or vimeo.com. To insert special characters or emojis, click the Special Character button. It is also possible to edit the source code and to paste custom code by using the Display Source button. Whenever you have finished editing, don't forget to press Ctrl S or the Save button. Click in the top right corner of your screen to display the editor shortcuts. If you have a doubt about what a button does, leave your mouse over it for several seconds to see a descriptive tooltip. We can search large collections with keywords. Click the filter button and let's type in our keyword. In this case, only the items containing Waldo will show. It is also possible to download entire collections in Excel format. Simply click on the download button on top of any collection. The interface texts collection stores website texts that don't fit any other data collection models. The left column called Key is used as a reference and should stay unchanged. We can edit the other columns to the right. To use files from a previous item or a pre-existing library, change the file association by clicking on the file cell and select any pre-existing folder. Now I can use the files from this folder, which is shared across several items. Folders are created automatically when adding new items. We can open the folder by clicking on the corresponding Open Associated Folder button. This should open the file editor in a new tab. In the file editor, we can drag and drop files or use the Upload button to add new files. To delete a file, press the trash can icon associated with the file. Deleting a file in Dash is permanent, so make sure you have an existing copy of this file somewhere in case you need to reuse it. Rename a file by entering a new name and click on the Rename icon. Prefixing this text with a 2 stars will make it visible to the visitor in an image caption. To change an image orientation, click on the circular arrow several times. Change the order of the files by dragging them around, or change the order level of the file. Type in a different level and click on the Order Level button. Smaller numbers will come first and larger numbers last. The file order determines the presentation order in image galleries. Click on the icon in the top right of your screen to display tips related to the file manager. Deleting a file can have an incidence on a data collection. To check if this is an issue, let's go back to our data collection, save it to make sure we don't lose any modification we might have done previously, and refresh the entire page in our browser. Orange notifications will indicate if an item lost track of a file. If it is the case, an item ID will be mentioned in the message. Typically, it's something like a cover image, and it's easy to reassociate the image we want there and click on Save. In the data collection, it is possible to clone items. Clones will automatically share the same files in the same folder. Cloning is convenient for multilingual websites, when items are repeated with different languages. When using a web browser like Google Chrome, it is possible to install extensions to assist us. The LT-Language tool is a free extension that works well with Dash to assist us with grammar and spell checking. Extensions like CiderChat GPT or use ChatGPT.ai allow us to use artificial intelligence as writing assistants in Dash.